website yan na makatutulong sa'yo sa wedding.
It's a really great website and really helpful for those who are preparing their wedding. So,
It's a group of people that use, technology as a way to communicate.
we talk about anything and everything about weddings. So, when they ask about suppliers, just be prepared with a really big volume of emails.
Ang sarap ng feeling, nakaka-share ka ng ideas mo, and then at the same time, nakakakuha ka rin ng ideas nila na never mo naisip before.
Kahit na anong i-bring up mo kay chismis, kay concern sa bahay, o sa friends sa office, alam mo, merong nakikinig.
Yung directory yung lagi kong unang tinitignan, especially pag I keep losing the telephone numbers of my suppliers.
Dati kasi we had to search sa mga yellow pages. Hindi siya ganun ka-accessible yung information.
We naturally want to share and also learn from others. So talagang this is the best place to do it. They're very, very helpful. So you're actually not asking for advice when you rant about something, but they really comfort you and they'll tell you it's gonna be okay and stuff like that.
You're always excited, magbukas ng email, araw-araw mo, wow agad. Pero with wow, kay high and kay low and pinagtatrabahuhan iniisip mo how you want to make or how you could make your wedding very unique and different from the others.
Dati kasi, yung mga members ng WOW, mga arte.
Ngayon.
Ngayon, sobrang arte. Alam mo, nakatalong business, di ba? Mas magastos.
So I was looking for sources on the internet that, that could help me promote my services as a bagpiper. That, it's very, very helpful for us suppliers to be able to be showcased in that particular website.
Up to now, majority of our clients are from wedding support. The clients from WOW, feeling ko parang friends agad
I wouldn't know where to start if Weddings at Work wasn't there.
If I didn't join the suppliers of WOW, things would have been slower, definitely.
Confident and comfortable ako na knowing na tried and tested ng ibang WOWy members yung kinukuha kong supplier.
I don't mind spending every day on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while. If she will be loved.
And the group is getting bigger, so it's more like not just e-group, any other e-group, it's more like a family.
Hindi lang to talaga about wedding preparation, but about friendship also.
You feel very, very welcome. Parang kang pumasok sa isang barkadahan.
And what I really, really like is we accept each other for who we are.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time.
Kasi naalala ko may mga postings tungkol na sa sa marriage.
So, tungkol sa in-laws, tungkol sa mga post-wedding, blues. So, naisip nila Ben, sana maglagay na lang ng ng e-group for newlyweds.
Kasi we talk about diapers, formula, breastfeeding.
Yung WOW helps you plan on the wedding, I guess, but now helps you cope with the marriage naman afterwards.
John and Vince, congratulations. Ang hirap pantayan itong feat na ginawa niyo sa Weddings at Work. Ang daming friendships na nabuo dahil sa effort niyo. So, ayun, believe talaga ako sa commitment niyo sa group.
Thank you, and hopefully, huwag kayo maubusan ng pasensya.
I hope that you will still be there when we prepare for our 25th or silver wedding anniversary and our golden or 50th wedding anniversary. O, diba?
Keep up the good work. I really love your site. It's helped me a great deal. I really hope that it would grow more and would, be a greater help to all of the couples out there who are planning to get married.
To the first couple, Jan and Bench, congratulations. Creating Weddings at Work was a great idea.
Happy anniversary, Weddings at Work from New York City!
Thank you so much for making us a part of Weddings at Work. We really benefited a lot from the group.
So thank you for being there all the time, and thank you for getting me back on track also.
Happy 5th anniversary. And lagyan natin ng 0 sa dulo. Happy 50th.
Thank you for all the support, for the advice, for the information.
I remember sabi ni John, ito lang ang e-group na hindi takot ang mga tao sa moderator. Ang masasabi ko lang, talagang hindi kami takot. Yun lang. And thank you very much.
Yung Wowis, the Wowis, you're all a crazy bunch of people. Mabuhay tayo.